Hello, my name is Priyana Udit, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to make a healthy, wholesome, balanced breakfast for university students and young professionals. It is said that a balanced and wholesome breakfast must contain at least 3 out of the 5 food groups. The 5 food groups are carbs, proteins, fats, dairies, and fruits and vegetables. For this breakfast shake, I have included ingredients that make up all of the 5 food groups. To make this, you will need 1 blender, a half of a banana, 1/2 of an apple, a handful of grapes, 1 cup of unpasteurized yogurt, 1/2 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 30 grams of dark chocolate or 1/2 of a medium-sized bar. Step 1. Prepare all the ingredients by dishing them out according to their respective serving sizes. Now, a little something about each one of our ingredients. The oats, which is our main carbohydrate. Oats are high in fiber, protein, antioxidants, and important vitamins and minerals. They are good for digestive health, reduces blood pressure and blood sugar. Overall, they are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Tip: to make the oats softer and easier to ingest, I usually soak the oats overnight in 3/4 cup of water. Our next ingredient, which is the yogurt, is our main source of dairy for this shake. The yogurt provides almost every nutrient our body needs. It's high in protein, is a good cholesterol booster, and contains probiotics that are excellent for digestive health and immune system. Note that the best types of yogurt to eat are unpasteurized yogurts or any type of Greek yogurt, as they are low in sugars and high in probiotics. Our next food group would be the fruits. You can use pretty much any fruits that are in season, just please make sure to research the appropriate serving size for breakfast. Fruits are high in vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. They are immune enhancing, reduce the risk of many diseases, good for brain health, energy boosting, and basically all fruits are very good for you. Peanut butter is the source of healthy fats that I have chosen for this breakfast shake. It is high in proteins, antioxidants, and poly and monounsaturated fats. It boosts energy, heart health, protects brain health, and also reduces stress, ideal for university students. And for my final ingredient, I have included 70% locally made dark chocolate. Dark chocolate will add great flavor to the smoothie and in the right proportions is extremely healthy as it contains antioxidants and great nutrients for heart health. Fun fact, dark chocolate contains flavanol, which is an ingredient that increases blood flow to the brain and stimulates brain activity, ideal for young professionals and university students. For step 2, we will now combine all the ingredients and blend until smooth. And now for the third